Okay, I'm setting up my equipment. Gosh, hopefully I haven't been using this for years. And of course, when was the last time I've used you? 5 grams of almond flour, 100 grams of powdered sugar, which means confectionery sugar, 50 grams of egg whites, not room temperature, gel food coloring, optional, 25 grams of granulated sugar. Okay, that's 50. American and Australian have different terms. Like powdered sugar is actually confectionery sugar. Wonderful. Cool. So we have it together, okay? It's been room temperature for the last days. Egg white. Okay. I added the mixture. Remember, this is my first time to make this. Since I like purple, so I'm gonna add the coloring here. I'm using a metal spoon. I already have my food coloring in purple. Consistency is very important here. Here we go. See, lava like. Yes, wonderful. Hopefully it will work. To be straight down the ceiling. Now we're gonna wait this one to dry. Don't know how many minutes. Up there, looking for, let's see. Okay, 60 minutes. So that's ready to bake. So I'm gonna use the whole thing because this is 8 ounce. And 2 tablespoons of milk. 2. One cup. Oh, this is a lot. Wow. They start already, what do you call rising up? They're rising up beautifully. I'm surprised. Okay. Every time this is first one.